Hi everyone! Let's dive into some real-life English conversation.
Hi, good morning. Everything looks so delicious today.
Good morning. Thank you. We just baked fresh pastries this morning. What would you like?
I'm thinking about a croissant and a cappuccino, please. Could you recommend a good one?
Absolutely. Our almond croissant is very popular, but the classic butter croissant is also amazing. Which do you prefer?
I think I'll try the almond croissant today, and the cappuccino sounds great.
Great choice. Would you like it with regular milk, or do you prefer something else? We have oat milk and almond milk as well.
Oat milk, please. I'm trying to cut down on dairy.
Perfect. One almond croissant and a cappuccino with oat milk. Anything else for you?
No, that will be all for now, thank you.
All right. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. Would you like to wait here or take it to go?
I'll wait here, thanks. This place looks so cozy.
It really is. We try to make it feel like a little home away from home. Do you come here often?
Not too often, but I love trying new cafes. This place was recommended to me by a friend.
That's wonderful to hear. We always appreciate recommendations. So, what do you usually like to drink?
Usually I'm a tea person, but sometimes I crave a good coffee, especially in the mornings.
That makes sense. Our cappuccinos are quite popular for that. You'll like it.
I'm sure I will. By the way, do you make your own pastries here?
Yes, our pastry chef bakes fresh every morning. We never keep anything overnight.
That's impressive. You can really taste the difference with fresh pastries.
Definitely. We believe quality is key. Do you enjoy baking yourself?
I do sometimes, but not as often as I'd like. It takes time.
That's true. We're lucky to have someone who loves baking as much as our chef does.
I can tell. Thanks for the recommendations. I'm excited to try it.
You're very welcome. I'll bring your order shortly.
Thanks again. Looking forward to it.
Here you go. One almond croissant and your cappuccino with oat milk. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. It smells amazing.
I'm glad you think so. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Will do. So, do you get many customers in the morning?
Yes, mornings are usually our busiest time. People love fresh coffee and pastries to start their day.
I can see why. This place feels really welcoming.
We work hard to create a nice atmosphere. It's important to us that people feel relaxed here.
It definitely shows. Do you have any special pastries for the weekend?
Actually, yes. On Saturdays, we offer a special chocolate-filled croissant and some seasonal fruit tarts.
That sounds delicious. I'll have to come back then.
Please do. We also sometimes have live music on Saturdays.
Wow, that's lovely. It makes the place feel even more special.
Exactly what we aim for. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away. I usually walk here.
That's convenient. Walking is a great way to start the day.
It is. And I like discovering little spots like this on the way.
That's the spirit. Have you tried any other items here besides croissants?
Not yet, but I've heard the lemon tart is really good.
It is. I recommend it with our herbal tea.
Sounds perfect. Next time, for sure.
Great. I'll make sure to prepare a fresh batch for you.
Thanks. So, how long have you been working here?
I've been here about 3 years now. It's a nice place to work.
I bet. You always seem so cheerful.
Thank you. It's hard not to be when you're surrounded by good food and nice people.
True. It's been really nice chatting with you.
Likewise. Enjoy your breakfast, and let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks again.
What's your favorite pastry? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English conversations.